This video demonstrates how to adjust a swing door hinge. The adjustment process should take about 5 minutes. For this adjustment, you need a tape measure, a wedge or set of wedges, a hammer, and a Phillips head screwdriver. The first step is determining how far the door is out of alignment with the frame. Use your tape measure on both ends of the top of the door opening to get a base measurement. Next, use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws holding the hinges in place. Once the hinge screws are loose, grab your wedge and your hammer to raise the lowest end of the door into proper position. Carefully measure the top opening between the door and frame and adjust as necessary until the measurement is the same on both sides. Check the side opening between the door and frame for another confirming measurement and use another wedge to align the sides. Once the wedges are in place and the door is properly aligned in the door frame, tighten the hinge screws and remove the wedges. The adjustment is now complete, but test the door by opening and closing a few times, and then make one more measurement of the opening between the door and the frame to be sure the door remains properly aligned.